Today I would like to introduce a new product, wheel repair machine AWR28HPC Pro. It uses cast iron lace bed, which is strong in rigidity and good in structural stability. You can see it uses the 4-station automatic tool changer, which can make the tool change easier and more accurate. The X and Z axis uses the high precision liner reels, which are fast and very quiet. The magnification knob switch can change the spindle speed and feed speed during the repair process. It can be operated on both sides, front and the back side, to adapt different operators' operating habits. The professional automated control system allows the simple 3 steps to complete the repair work: wheel clamping, rim detection, wheel cutting. The machine also adds a built-in air gun function, which can easily clean the wheel and clean the aluminum chips. Follow us to learn more about good products.